Hi everyone, just have a quick video for this lesson, operations with polynomials, and we're just going to work on addition, subtraction, and multiplication. The division of polynomials will be a later lesson, and when you have, I'll do an addition example here. And first of all, polynomial is of this form, has the x's to a positive power, the variables are to a positive power, and in this one, this is a degree 3 polynomial, so is this one, a degree 3 polynomial. This one has 3 terms, this one has 4 terms. The lead coefficient of this one is 5, the lead coefficient of this one is 1. Standard order, these are in standard order. The powers of the variable are descending from the highest power down to the lowest power, and this has a degree of 0, this term right here. And this term right here has a degree of 1. But the whole polynomial is a degree 3, and this is a degree 3 polynomial. I'm going to add those together, just getting some of those terms that I think you probably did in Algebra 1. Discussed. And when I do that, I'm going to take the 5x to the third, and I'm going to take plus the x to the third from this one. I got negative 7x squared here. I don't have, I do have plus 2x squared here. I don't have an x term here, but I do here, so what, minus x. I got minus 3 and then plus 8. Putting all the like terms together, and when I do that, 5x to the third plus 1x to the third is 6x to the third. Negative 7x squared plus 2x squared is negative 5x squared. I have the negative x, and then negative 3 plus 8 is 5. Okay. Subtraction, we'll take it on the same way. I got a third degree polynomial and a second degree polynomial that I'm subtracting from it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the parentheses. And I could have done that up there also, but it was addition and there was nothing that was going to change. I'm removing the parentheses here because I've got a polynomial that's being subtracted. So each term is being subtracted. Negative x squared, a negative, a minus x squared, and a minus 2x. That's plus 2x. Minus and minus 3, that's plus 3. And now when I put them together, I got this 2x cubed. I've got this negative x squared. Keep track of what I've written down. I got the minus x and the plus 2x for the descending, and then plus 3 and plus 3. All right, so 2x cubed minus x squared plus x plus 6 is my final answer for subtracting those two polynomials. All right. Multiplying. Now this first one, I multiply binomials, and we've actually been using it with the radical works we were doing. But first is 3x squared. Outside is 3x times negative 5, which is negative 15x. Inside is negative 1 times x, which is negative 1x. And last, negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. I didn't write that 1 there, if you noticed. And then the middle terms are like terms. So 3x squared minus 15x minus 1x is minus 16x. When you combine those two terms, plus 5. And then finally, we have multiplying polynomials. There are various ways that you need to organize, but essentially you've got to get each term, you got 3 terms here, to multiply with each term in here. So 3 terms here, 3 terms here, and it is, you're going to have 9 terms when you do that. So I'm going to show this way. It's not FOIL. FOIL only really works for binomials as far as the acronym. But I'm going to multiply each term by x squared, so it's kind of an extended distributive. Then I'm going to multiply each term in this second polynomial by 2x, and then I'm going to multiply each one by 3. So when I give this first 3, x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. X squared times negative 2x is negative 2x cubed. X squared times 3 is positive 3x squared. Now, let's do each one of these. 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times negative 2x is negative 4x. And then 2x times 3 is 6x. 2/3 of the way there. I do need to multiply this 3 by each thing. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times negative 2x is negative 6x. And 3 times 3 is 9. Alright, so I've got the x to the 4th minus 2x to the 3rd. I don't see another x for plus 2x to the 3rd. I've got positive 3x squared and another positive 3x squared. I've got negative 4x plus 6x minus 6x. So my degree 2, my degree 1 terms, and then I've got that plus 9 at the end. So it's x to the 4th. These guys cancel, so that's 0x to the 3rd. You could write that, I'm not going to. 3x squared plus 3x squared is 6x squared. Do not add those exponents. Negative 4x plus 6x minus 6x, that's 0 there, so that's negative 4x, and then plus 9. All right, you guys take care.